Do you have multiple users who only need to see a specific part of your PII inventory? Do you need a clear audit trail showing who viewed, exported, or deleted sensitive information? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manage access permissions in PII Tools using RBAC, or Role-Based Access Control. Before adding users, let's create the roles that will define what PII Tools users can and cannot do. In this tutorial, we'll review two example roles, an MSP client and an IT admin. Go to Manage Users, View Roles, and click Create Role. For the first example, let's imagine we run a managed services company where we help clients scan their data. We'll create an MSP client role. Users with this role must be able to work with their own scans, but not interact with scans of any other users. Each client's PII inventory must be completely separated and invisible to other clients. In this RBAC permission matrix, each row represents a resource type, such as batch scans, scan results, or remediations that the user may have access to. For each resource, you can allow 4 actions: create, read, update, and delete. You can hover over the question mark next to any permission to see what that action controls. Always review this information carefully to prevent unauthorized access to PII. Now let's look at another sample role, the IT admin. The idea here is that users with this role represent internal IT administrators who we want to manage our company's PII inventory. We want to give them access so they can create, launch, and delete scans, but not actually view any scan results. These admins shouldn't see any actual PII at any point, not even inside the scans they launched. When your roles are ready, you can create your users. Go to Manage Users and click Create User. Choose a username and password and assign a role immediately so the new user has the correct permissions from the start. As an admin, you can edit or change a user's role later at any time. PII Tools also keeps a secure user activity log. This gives you a full record of important actions. For example, who launched a scan, who exported results, or who deleted sensitive data. You can download the log using Manage Users, Download Activity Logs, which is useful for audits or internal investigations. That's a quick overview of how to manage access permissions in PII Tools with RBAC. For more help, check our online documentation. If you want to learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile for more tutorials and resources.